Mike, hey Mia, good morning. Mia, hi Mike, good morning. Are you going to the office too? Mike, yes, I'm running a bit late today. The bus hasn't come yet, right? Mia, no, you're on time. I've been waiting for just 5 minutes. Mike, great. How's your day so far? Mia, it's good. A bit cold though. I should have worn a jacket. Mike, yeah, the weather changed suddenly. I brought an umbrella just in case. Mia, smart. By the way, how's your project going? Mike, it's going well. We have a deadline next week, so it's a little stressful. Mia, oh, I understand. Deadlines can be tough. Let me know if you need any help. Mike, thanks, Mia. That means a lot. What about you? Busy at work? Mia, a little. We have a client meeting today, so I'm preparing for that. Mike, good luck. You always do well in meetings. Mia, haha, thanks. Oh, look, the bus is here. Mike, finally, let's get on.